I'm going to show you how to use this Dinshare chainsaw. It's awesome. So let's check her out. So here she is. It's got a special, to protect your fingers, which is smart. If you're going to use this, I strongly recommend these. You don't want to poke out your eye. Make sure you got shoes on. You know what I'm saying? Here's the battery. Just like most batteries, you just got to slip it in. It's got a little catch thing there. Catches right there. So we go like this. Bam. Pull this off. Here we go. Bob's your uncle, ready to go. All right, let's go cut some stuff. All right, so our mission today, if we should accept it, is to cut a couple of these bad boys off. This giant cabbage tree. So that's what we're going to do, right there. All right, so here we go. This does have a safety on it right here. So if you have it like that, it won't go. So I got to push this side of it to get it to rock. Like this, push that side, no go, right? Push this side, ready to rock. All right, so set that down. Put my goggles on, let's get to it. Worked pretty good. Let's get you a little bit closer so you can see what I'm doing. All right, you ready? Done. And this one here. All right, and then last but not least, this guy right here. You ready? Dunsville. All right, I think we did a good job. Put her away. What I always do, put the guard on, safety, and get this off of here. Once this is off, it's safe. You can't cut yourself. Take the battery out, all right? Take the battery out. All right, I think that looks much better. What do you guys think? If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I cut stuff like this. Peace out.